Hello and welcome to Down Under Visa. I'm Registered Migration Agent Jeff Harvie, and Down Under Visa is the premier Australian migration agency here in Manila, Philippines. I'll be explaining more about Down Under Visa and some of the visa applications we can help you with in this video series. And what's more, this will be done in English and in Tagalog with the help of my daughter Remy. So please enjoy, and please go to www.downundervisa.com.au. That's www.downundervisa.com.au and complete a free online visa assessment form. Hope we can help you to make your dreams come true. Hello and welcome to Down Under Visa. I'm Registered Migration Agent Jeff Harvie, and Down Under Visa is the premier Australian migration agency here in Manila, Philippines. I'll be explaining more about Down Under Visa and some of the visa applications we can help you with in this video series. And what's more, this will be done in English and in Tagalog. So please enjoy, and please go to www.downundervisa.com.au. That's www.downundervisa.com.au and complete a free online visa assessment form. Hope we can help you to make your dreams come true. Down Under Visa, the Australian visa people in Manila. Down Under Visa provides expert visa and immigration advice. Jeff Harvie, our Registered Migration Agent and Australian Migration Law Consultant, and his family team of professionals support and guide visa applicants and their families through all stages of the often daunting migration process of bringing your spouse, wife or de facto partner, or fiancee from Philippines to Australia. We have our office in Manila, and together with our trained admin staff make up the premier Australian migration agency in Manila, Philippines. We specialise in fiancee visas, that means fiancee visas, prospective marriage visas, PMVs they're sometimes called, and spouse visas, partner visas, for married couples and those in de facto relationships to Australia from Philippines. We have tertiary qualifications and extensive experience, including first-hand experience, and we've been through the process ourselves. This means we have the ability not only to help you, but to understand what you're probably now going through. Australian spouse visas and Australian fiancé visas. We specialise in managing the Australian Partner Visa and the Prospective Marriage Visa for Australian men with spouses and partners and fiancés, especially from the Philippines. Our core clients are Australian men with Filipino ladies, although we do get plenty of Aussie ladies with Filipino men too. We can also help with visas for de facto couples. Now, Jeff's wife Mila migrated to Australia years ago as a fiancé visa holder. So we've been through the process and we know how it feels. We have a lot of knowledge and experience in this area, and our service is personalised and professional. And it remains a mum and dad operation. We're not a cold and heartless corporation, nor do we have a team of secretaries doing all the work with the agent back in Sydney somewhere. Every visa application is personally overseen and handled by Jeff Harvie. Our success rate is remarkable. This means that you and your partner, spouse, fiancé are in very safe hands with us. Australian tourist visas and family visas. Down Under Visa can help you with an Australian tourist visa from Philippines, or a child visa from Philippines to Australia, or a citizenship by descent application to Australia for a Filipino child with a biological father who is an Australian citizen. We manage tourist visas from Philippines to Australia, especially for Australian Filipina couples. Dependent child visas to Australia from Philippines. Child visas to Australia from Philippines. Parent visas from Philippines to Australia. And citizenship by descent from Philippines for biological children of Australian citizens. Don't risk giving yourself headaches with the visa application process, and don't risk seeing your visa refused. Contact Down Under Visa today, do our free online visa assessment, and give yourselves the best possible advantage. We never let a client down.